Capacity. 14-cup glass carafe holds 112 fluid ounces. CARAFE features. Ergonomic comfort grip, black handle, dripless spout, lid, and knuckle guard for added protection. Washing instructions. Wash carafe and lid in warm, soapy water and rinse thoroughly or place in the dishwasher on the upper rack only. Brewer Markings. Carafe brewer markings range from 2 to 14 cups of liquid. Compatibility. Compatible with a wide range of our premium Cuisinart coffeemakers, DCC-2200, DCC-2600, DCC-2800, DCC-3200, and DCC-3200P1. Cuisinart 14-cup replacement glass carafe with a black lid and black and brushed chrome handle. This carafe is for use with DCC-2200 series and DCC-2600 coffeemakers. Top reviews from the United States. Does not fit the CBC 7200% Cuisinart. This carafe does not fit the Cuisinart CBC 7200% purchased at Costco. Several customers indicated that it fit, but the lid is not tall enough to trigger the. This will not fit the CBC 7200% model purchased from Costco. The top of the lid is not the same as the original lid, so it doesn't allow the coffee to drip into the carafe. Otherwise, the carafe itself is well made, although a little pricey.